How to remove Meta AI from Facebook. Hey everyone! In this video tutorial, we're showing you how to delete Meta AI from Facebook. Meta AI is a powerful AI tool from Meta that can answer your questions, generate creative text formats, and even create images based on your descriptions. You can access it directly within Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, and even Messenger. So to remove Meta AI from Facebook, first, locate the Facebook icon on your home screen and long press it to reveal additional options. Tap the App Info button or similar option, depending on your device. This will take you to your app settings for Facebook. Select Uninstall to remove the Facebook app from your device. When you uninstall the Facebook application from your device, search for a trusted website where you can download the Facebook APK file. To download an older version of the Facebook app, make sure to choose the version around March or April 2024 that might not include the Meta AI features. You will notice this warning message. Click Download if the website is trusted. Be very careful when choosing a website. Once downloaded, navigate to your Downloads folder and tap on the Facebook APK file. You might see a warning since you're installing from outside the Play Store. Once you install the Facebook application, log into your account, head to your messages, and notice that the Facebook Meta AI option is now removed. And this is how to remove Meta AI from Facebook. I hope this short video tutorial helps you. If you have any questions about Meta AI, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. And of course, do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. It really helps me out. Thanks for watching my video.